Before I start explaining the project and how does it work, you have to download the zip file for PolarPal AI, which I did. So just open the zip file and then move the PowerPal folder to VS Code. How do you do that? Well, you need to move the PowerPal folder anywhere. For example, you can move it on your to your desktop. Okay. So after you transfer your folder to anywhere you want, open the folder on VS Code. Okay. And then find it. Select the folder. And there you go. It will show you all the folders. Sorry, all the files inside that folder. Additionally, you need to install Python and its libraries. So here are the libraries you can install, and also you can install them by using pip install. For example, pip install pyttsx3. Okay, you need to install pyttsx3, JSON, difflib, import lib, tkinter, and turtle. All right, I'll show you the demonstration of how it works. Okay, pip install. Okay, and all right. So if the terminal says that the requirement is already satisfied, it means that this particular Python library is already installed. Furthermore, do not remove all the files inside that folder. All of the files on this folder is very significant. Okay. All right, next. Once you have already set up, I'll explain what is this project about. PowerPal is an artificial intelligence that mostly talks about Christmas and lets you do activities on PowerPal AI. There are over 4 activities, okay, you can do during this Christmas. And you can talk conversations to PowerPal. If PowerPal was not able to answer the question, you can teach PowerPal on how to reply to the question you have asked. If you made a mistake on asking a question, you can skip it. If you made a mistake on teaching the AI the answer to the question, you can go to knowledge.json right here and get rid of that particular dictionary on that JSON file. For more information, you can go to the website that PowerPal has referred. This one right here. Okay, the images, guides, what is this about, the conversations, activities, and how to build knowledge. Okay, so yeah. All right, let me explain the code. Okay, so first one is PyTTSX3, a text-to-speech for PowerPal to speak. Second is the JSON to extend knowledge of PowerPal. Lastly, import lib and difflib. Difflib is for finding the best matches for each question, and import lib is for activities. Also, Christmas tree and music songs are not libraries. They are just Python files I made for the activities. Okay, which is this one and this one. As you can see, there's a function which I which I imported this. So you can see there are functions. Okay, function. Okay, and then files. All right. Next, how PowerPal can extend its knowledge. Okay, the load knowledge right here is used to add knowledge to this AI, meaning every time you teach an AI on how to reply to that question, a dictionary variable knowledge will be added to the question list on the knowledge JSON file. Okay, tell which one is knowledge variable, it's this one. And if you can tell which one is the the value of key's question, okay, this is the key, and then the value is everything. All of this is the value, okay? All right. Next function, save knowledge. The save knowledge function is used to save the knowledge on the JSON file. It is basically going to save it inside the JSON file. And then we have find best match function. The find best match function, okay, is used to find if the question is on the JSON file or not. And if the question is not on the JSON file, PowerPal will ask you if you want to teach the answer to PowerPal on how to reply to that question. And if the question is found on the JSON file, PowerPal will be able to respond to that question. Okay, so let's say if I type a question, when is your birthday? And then if PowerPal was able to find that question, uh, PowerPal will say my birthday is on December 25. But if I write, um, how old are you? And the question is not on the JSON file, then PowerPal will ask you to teach it on how to reply to that question you have asked. Okay? All right. Next function is the get answer function. It is used when PowerPal was able to detect that question inside the dictionary value of key questions on the JSON file and respond to you immediately. You can see that here the knowledge questions is in the for loop. Okay, this one right here, everything. Okay, everything inside it. All right, this is the actually this one. All right, and then we have if question equal question, in which that the AI is gonna find the question if and the question that I type, meaning if I type the question and the question I type is already on the JSON file, okay, like I said, it's going to respond. All right. Okay. Last one, last function, right, the chatbot function. Okay. Inside the chatbot function, the first dictionary variable knowledge is equal to load knowledge with a JSON file. You can also see that there is a speak function where the AI will speak for you, as well as a print function to know what it says on the terminal. You can see here the print function and the speak function. Okay, the speak function is working from here, so you can see I use the PyTDS X3 library, then hear what it says, and it waits. All right, all right. So inside the while loop of the function, okay, right, this one, okay, there are several conditional statements and the user input in which you're going to type that particular question to PowerPal. So this one, user input, and then the first conditional statement. All right, all right. So in the first conditional statements, where the user input is equal to the number, okay, in a string, are the activities you are going to do. Okay, these activities are coded in different files, but coded in the same programming language. It means that they're in It means that they are not in the PowerPal.py, but it means that it's coded in other files and it's separate. It looks separate, but actually you can put it actually you need to import this one. Okay. Okay, so after the best match variable, which the AI will find the best matches inside the knowledge.json. Okay, there is another conditional statement where if the best match is already on the JSON file, PowerPower will answer your question immediately, which is this one. Okay, and if not, you will need to teach the AI on how to answer to that question or skip it, which is this one right here. Okay, so what about the other files? Okay, the images are used for index HTML except for cookie.gif. Okay, the GIF image cookie.gif is used for the cookie game known as cookie.py right here. All of the other Python files aside from powerpal.py and run.py are all activities. Okay, the description.txt is used as a guide. The index.html is used to learn more information about PowerPal. Okay. You can also refer to the images for more guidance. Alright. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Alright. So, how does it work? To run PowerPal AI, you need to run it on the terminal. Just write Python run.py on your terminal. Alright. I'm going to show it to you.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
Start with what?
Sure. Here is a drawing of an exquisite Christmas tree.
Okay, it's already done. Alright. Okay, I'm just going to skip this. Okay, let's try number 3.
Sure. Here are the 3 Christmas songs you can listen to.
Okay, there's the link. I'm just going to skip this. Right. 3.
Sure. Here is a game for you.
Oh, okay, right. So I have to say there's an error. Okay. After each activity, you have to run PowerPal AI again since there is an error on the terminal. Okay. You do not need to be concerned about this error since you can run it again and it will still work. Okay.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
Okay.
Sure. Here is a game for you.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io. Sure. Here is a gift list you can acquire from Santa.
Here it says add gift if you can see it. Well, okay, here's delete gift and here's request Santa. All right, wrong. Add gift. Next one. Um, laptop. And if you want to delete it, and then press this one, and then you can request the Santa. All right, and then all right. Okay.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
Right. And then in all right. Hi.
Hello.
Okay. All right. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'll say I'm good,
Okay.
and then I'll say bye,
Bye bye.
and then I will say thank you.
You're welcome.
If I write a dot, I'll just have to write skip. Oops. Okay. If I accidentally answered that, I can just delete this one, and you should not forget to delete the comma. All right. Okay. All right. Let's say if I accidentally wrote a question, I'll just write skip, and then I will just type 5 if I want to end the conversation. All right. There you go. Okay. So next one, okay, after I showed you how it works, you can customize it. Okay. You can customize it on your own. You can create your own project and create your own conversations for the chatbot I created. So here is an example and a demonstration. Okay, let's start off by creating your own conversations. All right, you can create it. So, all right, um, question. Okay, I'm just gonna go there, and if I want to change something, or hello, if I want to change that, I'll write, hey yo, what's up, man? Okay, and change this one. Okay, uh, and then you can also tell that I run
Merry
fast.
Christmas.
Let's see what
Here
happens.
are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
Right, I'll say, what is your favorite color?
My name is PolarPal. How about you?
Okay, the AI was confused because of this one. It says, what is your? That's why PowerPoint was confused with that. So what I would do, okay, is just put a comma here, and then we'll put question. What is your favorite color? Okay, put the answer. And then I do not have a favorite color. Period. Okay, and then gonna end this. Run this
Merry
again.
Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
All right. So since I made a different reply and how to add a question if PowerPoint was confused, okay, I'm just gonna start writing hi.
Ayo, what's up, man?
There's a different response. Okay, if you want to customize your answer, and then if you want to type a question that PowerPoint was confused before, okay, just try to make sure that you spell it. Try to double check your spelling and grammar, okay,
I do not have a favorite color.
and will respond to you immediately. Well, okay, track 5. And now let's start creating your own project, okay? Let's write gift stats.py. Take this out a bit. All right, so let me import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. I'm gonna import pandas as pd. I'm gonna import numpy as np. I'm also going to import, sorry, seaborn as sns. Now what I'm going to create is some sort of a line graph where I'm going to list down 2 friends and me who have the most gifts from 2016 to 2020. It's it's not real, but it's just imagine how many gifts you have. It isn't. So let's give an example. All right, it's just an example. Okay. Okay. So let's start with friend one, mp.array. Let's start with 20, 21, 26, and then 28, and then suddenly just declined, okay, to 9 gifts. Friend 2, np.array, 19, 20, 23, 18, 18, okay, 22, and then 6, okay, and then me, I'll just write np.array, I'll just write 21, okay, 23, 30, and then 24, and then 7. I'm just gonna make a dictionary. I'm gonna write friend 1. Oh wait, I should also make a year. Okay, mp.array, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. And a year, right? The comma. Then friend 1, friend 2, which is gonna be friend 2 here, friend 3. Oops, sorry. I should put me as with E and then me. I should also not forget to put this one, since I'm going to create a grid here. Okay, don't mind the yellow ones. It's just really like that. It's gonna work anyways. All right, and then I'm gonna write the data frame. It's gonna be oops, the data frame, and put the dictionary here. Put the plot. I'm gonna put the df year, df rand1 color. I can put yellow, and then plot 2 df rand oops year. Okay, and then color can be blue, and then I'm gonna plt show. Okay, okay, and on the output is gonna show the grid, okay, which is sns.set. Here are the arrays, which I'm going to put it for the data, okay, and then create a data frame for to plot them, okay, and this will draw the line from this one, and it will show up, okay. So let's start writing Python gif stats.py, okay. It's gonna load. Just wait for it. Okay. Okay. So here it is. The the stats. So you can see here it is. It goes down 2020. Goes up when it was 20. It was still on the rise, and then it went downwards. Okay. It was terrible. All right. For some reason, and then we have. Okay. So all right. So next, after you have done it, you can put it on PolarPal, right? ls user input dot strip equals 6, and print sure here is a statistics of you and your friends have gifts from 2016 to 2020. You need a speak function here. Sure, here is a statistics of you and your have gifts from 2016 to 2020. Put a period, exclamation mark, and I'm going to write stat module equal to import lib dot import module stat, and then stats module run game. So here it is, and let's try this out. Python run the py.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well.
Wait, I forgot to put something. Okay, here for the legend. Okay, gift stats. All right, right. Then let's.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. 6. Gift stats. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io. Sure. Here is a statistics of you and your friends have gifts from 2016 to 2020.
Hmm. Oh wait, I think I did it incorrectly. Okay, it should be gift stats. Okay,
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. 6. Gift stats. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io. Sure. Here is a statistics of you and your friends have gifts from 2016 to 2020.
okay. There we go. Here it is. Okay. So what I did was I put a strip function to prevent any white space because if I remove this, okay, I run it again.
Merry Christmas. Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with me as well. 1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. 6. Gift stats. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
Okay. So if I put a space here, I do not know the answer. Okay. Skip and then quit. But if I put dot strip, what happens is that it's going to show up even if you made a
Merry
mistake
Christmas.
on adding space.
Here are several activities you can do, and you can also socialize with
And
me as
let's
well.
see.
1. Christmas tree art. 2. Christmas songs. 3. Cookie game. 4. Gift list. 5. Quit. 6. Gift stats. To learn more about PolarPal AI, visit https://doggodab.github.io.
I'm gonna put some space.
Sure. Here is a statistics of you and your friends have gifts from 2016 to 2020.
And there we go. It shows up even if I put a space on it. Okay. That's why I put the strip function and how. So I use the print function to print on the terminal, speak to speak it, and I use the import lib.import module for the gift stat or to print the gift stat. Okay, and ensure that everything that this project is opened by using import lib. Okay, so the gift stats is the name of the file, as you can see right here, gift stat, right? And it will run it. Okay, so so that's it for this project. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. So thanks for watching and bye bye.